Um, Journal entry number, I don't know, 21, doesn't matter. Tokyo Open on August 4th, 2025. Small win, gold shorts. Now, the setup was amazing. Just didn't pan through to my targets, and I ended up just with a small win, which is okay, I guess. Now, setup wise, very nice setup. If we look at the 50-minute chart right here at the bottom left of my screen, we had a very, very nice liquidation of these 15-minute highs right here with these candles. Now, of course, that I wasn't going to enter on a liquidation without my true setup printing. But I was boxing my trades, so we liquidated the highs. My first money line was, of course, the previous lows. But when we liquidated those highs, my money line came above at the net structure low. Now, so setup wise, price failure above that 15-minute, those 15-minute highs was A plus, A plus setup here. And patience wise, that was also an A plus. Now let's talk about execution. If we look at this 5-minute candle engulfing, um, the entire move that liquidated those highs, that was my entry or my trigger to execute. So on the 1-minute chart, let me just zoom in because this is very important. Execution wise, so the 5-minute candle started printing and we got this massive move to the downside. I was not going to execute until price closed below my money line, right? So executing at this candle would have been a massive mistake. Now, patience-wise, I waited for this candle to close and I executed at the next candle. So execution-wise, A plus setup, A plus execution. Now, trade management. This is what I want to talk about. Now, trade management. My stop losses were below, oh, I'm sorry, above the liquidation highs. And, we're all throughout the Tokyo Open, we got into a good drawdown. But, I understand how gold moves, so I was not going to close my trade at a loss just because I saw price moving into um, drawdown on my trade. Now, I stayed put, just waiting on the trade to develop, and then we got a break of those lows. Another structured low here, and this is where I executed 5 of my 7 contracts. And I moved my stop losses to break even, which was this level right here. Now, the reason that I moved my stop losses to break even and I executed five contracts, or I closed 5 of my 7 contracts, is because of this range that gold was trading in. Also, volume was not on my side, guys. So volume was not on my side. So this, even though this candle closed below this structured low, right? I was uncertain at this moment if gold was going to continue towards my targets, which were the next 50-minute structured low right here, which I think that can be Sydney lows. I don't know. It really doesn't matter. But the uncertainty on this trade and the lack of momentum, of the bearish momentum after the money line was broken with, right, led me to close most of my trade here, move my stops to break even just to protect my small win, right? And I got stopped out. I'll break even on the rest, which was a great decision. So trade management, I give myself an A plus. I take whatever the market is willing to give me. And today it was not a full TP, but a win is a win, and the streak remains alive. 19 wins, I think, and 4 losses, 2 break evens. Yep.